The sewer technician excavates carefully around the sewer pipe to avoid a sewage explosion. Doesn't he? Doesn't he, Andy?
He does. They just 45'd it? Did they cut the pipe? Or
That's how they used to do it back in the 60s, Andy. What we've got here is some asbestos pipe. They were making asbestos as best as they could. They were making sewer pipes as best as they could. And then they just kind of stick it into a clay pipe and throw some concretes around it. In their defense, it probably worked for a decade, and there's probably been a lot of problems.